Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today we're making a round step square as we give it that modern look. This is Tim's tip number 7 as we work on part 2 of my staircase.
So beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
We're going to square off our bottom step. This is really simple. This doesn't have to be perfect because we're just going to cover this up. This just gives us something to nail our riser into. So it's actually going to be a 3-piece riser. One piece coming this way, a second piece, and then a third piece that ends up into the wall. That being said, when we do our corner, which is going to be a 45, we do want it to line up pretty nice, so we want it somewhat close on the corner at least. So we're going to use a speed square. If you don't have a speed square, I suggest make that the next tool you buy. If you watch my channel, you'll see that I have a video this week where I shot myself with a nail gun. So you can never be too careful working with power tools. If I shoot a nail through this, I'm imagining it's going to go this way, but you never know. It could easily shoot out either side. So always keep your finger clear of the area you're working in. What happened, I was holding it here and then the nail came right out and I actually nailed my finger to the board on video. It did hurt. But I kept right on working. My son's been not even letting me take a minute off. I had to get the job done. I'm using furring strips to build this out with because they cost 99 cents and I'm already planning on using them to build all my risers out with as well. But you could do this with any kind of wood you have on hand. The top piece did not fit exactly the way I wanted it to, so I did have to rip a little off this so it would fit in there properly. I had to make it just a little bit skinnier. I always want to nail the far end in first because when I shoot a nail this way, you don't want it to slide down on us. They're only 1.5 inch nails, so I don't have to worry about it going that far through. Now this is going to be supported by a riser, but I can tell you, it'll hold my weight. And I'm comfortable 150. Alright, maybe 250. Whatever. Now what we want to do is just create a little piece on top for its support. Next thing what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to cut it to the shape of what's underneath. This is real simple. Don't try to figure anything real technical out. Just take your marker and trace underneath where that piece that we built ends. We turn this over. Bam, bam. We cut right there. We're within tolerances. Pretty darn good, actually. A riser piece will attach to that. We're good. That is how we square off a bottom step. Let's give it the test. Ready?
Ready.
120 pounds later. Look, Ma, no hands. Time for me to find my tape measure.
Okay, it's right in front of you.
Next cut, but...
It's right there.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh man, I would have went out to the stall for that. I never see it when it's right in front of me. Not sponsored by Monster, but I'm here if you want me. I love your drinks. Don't come crawling on me when I'm big time. I won't have you then. I'll switch to Red Bull. And lock me up now. This would be your opportunity. Once in a lifetime offer. Just remember this. Well, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all my Tim's tips, which are geared towards DIYers and up-and-coming installers. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss part 3 of my staircase, where I install my special riser that does not need to be painted and is maintenance free. And then we'll finally install the tread that we made in part 1. Well, thanks for watching.